Congratulations! Your Toniebox is ready to be set up. Before we begin, you'll need an account. If you already have an account, proceed to the next step. To set up an account, enter your name and email address, then set a password. You will then receive an email asking you to confirm your email address. Click the link in the email to activate your account. Log in and you will be redirected to My Tonies. Here's what you'll need to set up your Toniebox. A Toniebox, a Tony, the Toniebox charging station, a smartphone or computer, and access to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Place your Toniebox on the charging station.
Hello! Nice to meet you!
Let's start the setup. Check that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. In this first step, you'll be asked to enter your Toniebox ID. This can be found on the bottom of your Toniebox. It is a combination of letters and numbers. You can enter it with or without hyphens. Proceed to the next step. Now you will be asked to connect to your Wi-Fi. Do so by pinching both Toniebox ears until you hear a signal and the LED starts flashing blue. After a few seconds, you will hear another signal and the LED should start pulsing blue. What would you like to call your Toniebox? Give it a name to proceed. Your Toniebox will have automatically selected your Wi-Fi, so just type in your Wi-Fi password. If you have never changed the password, you can usually find it on the back of your router. Carefully enter the password, checking for any typos. Then click Join to connect to your network. Now the LED will show a couple of different patterns and even briefly turn off. Please wait until you see a constant green light and you hear,
Great! Now I'm ready for the Tonies. Have fun!
That's it. You have successfully set up your Toniebox. You can now remove it from the charger. Just add a Tony to get story time started. Up next, learn how to use Creative Tonies.